If you're looking to disable automatic restrictions on Cash App, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps. Follow these instructions carefully to manage your account settings effectively. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the home screen. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage various features. Step 3. Access Privacy and Security Settings. Scroll down to find the Privacy and Security section. Tap on it to view options related to your account security and restrictions. Step 4. Adjust Automatic Restrictions. Look for the option that mentions automatic restrictions or transaction limits. Toggle this setting to disable automatic restrictions as per your preference. Step 5. Save changes. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you can successfully disable automatic restrictions on your Cash App account. Always remember to monitor your account for any unusual activity after making changes to your settings.